A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. For example, this pen is my pen, not your pen. This pen is mine, not yours. So the examples of possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs. Um, so we'll look some more examples with the sentences. Me, she gave me a book. You, I'll call you tomorrow. Him, I saw him at the store. Her, they invited her to the party. It, I found it on the table. Us, she helped us with the homework. Them, we met them at the park. So we'll see some more examples. Mine, this book is mine. His, he lost his phone. Our, we love our country. Your, this is your dress. It's, the cat licked its paw. This seat is yours. Theirs, the land is theirs. So these are some of the common examples.